Welcome back to day 3 on our Irish photo rally. Last night, myself, Dean and Roger stayed at the fabulous Castle. A big thanks to the hosts there for looking after us. Absolutely fantastic place. So today the plan is to head off from Castle, head south towards Kerry and the Killarney area. We've got 4 waypoints to collect today, but the weather is looking pretty wet. But first of all, we need to get some fuel before we hit our first waypoint at an old railway station.
Roger with us, yep. Alright, okay. Fair enough. This wasn't the castle, this is the butter road, that's what this is. There you go. You guys alright? Alright, this is deteriorating up here, so I don't know what this is going to be like, so just let's play it by ear. Nice valley, isn't it? this one? You far behind me? What's the verdict? You gonna go for it? Okay. It's probably not as steep as it looks. It's just a fire road. It's a bit loose here. Just get a bit of traction. But it's not too bad. A bit windy though. Just take it steady. That's me up. A wee bit more around the corner. And then it climbs a bit further. But it's fairly dry and stuff. And it's good surface. And another gate. Well done. Keep going, straight through. Did you enjoy that, did you? Well done, Roger. I'm well impressed with that with those tires on. Yeah. Yeah, don't leave me hanging. Oh. Is Roger on? It's maybe another couple of gates. Yeah, another gate. It's okay, okay. Don't fucking hit me. Oh, sick. I've been run over by a bike before, don't worry. Alan hit me in Spain, for God's sake. He whacked me in the back of the head. I fell up in front of him though. Yep, Roger, on you come. Yo! Still a wee bit more to go yet. Let's keep our lid. JB on the recce. Spelt wrongly. Right. Wee bit downhill now, so just be careful, it's quite loose. But it's just cruise down here. There's somebody, just in case there's somebody at the farm here looking at us funny. And it's right at the end, folks. onto another grass lane.
So after lunch in Killarney, the rain came in. We decided to miss a waypoint, waypoint 19 in Kerry, the old barracks. Basically, it was a 100-mile loop out to the coast to get that one, so we give it a skip, and we started heading east towards Cashel, on the last waypoint of the day. So after the last photo point of the day, we still hadn't booked any accommodation, so we took an opportunity to stop near Cashel and have a look at booking.com. The original plan was to head towards Clonmel, but we ended up in a place called Clogheen, I believe it's pronounced, in a venue called the Almanage, I believe. It's a well-being retreat who just so happened to be free on that night, and they had put some rooms on booking.com to much to our fortune. A lovely venue with great hosts and superb bedrooms and a great breakfast in the morning, so thoroughly recommend that. I'll put a link in the description. But that's it for today, and tomorrow is another day.